So I sometimes have people a bit confused when they watch my videos and I talk about different aspects of different religions, like say chakras or mudras, and then I talk about like Christ or the Buddha, and I kind of like, it seems like I mix and match different things from different religions. So what I wanted to teach something about is called Syncretism. And it's like basically the understanding that all is one and all comes from this divine one truth. And so it's basically seeing the interconnectedness of everything, and seeing that we are all one, and basically like all the religions are of this one truth. So I kind of see it as like the one white light, and if you shine it into a prism, it splits into the different colours of the rainbow. And I kind of see it like the one white light is the ultimate truth. It is the path on how to get back to God, or it is God themselves. And then the religions are like the colours of the rainbow, so they're different aspects or different rays of the one truth. And so everyone has truth in all the religions. They all hold truth, but they don't hold the absolute truth. And so to unify them all together, to take the parts of all the religions that you see as your truth, helps to bring yourself closer to that one truth. And I think that to unify them and to kind of see the similarities in all of them, and to see the goodliness and the godliness in all of them, and to take the parts in all of them that you resonate with, is your path back to the truth, back to God. And so I think that's what kind of spirituality is. It's about finding your own path, and taking what resonates with you and putting it into your own practices. And whether it's from Buddhism, Hinduism, Christianity, or none of those things, it doesn't matter, as long as you resonate with them, as long as they fill you with light and get you back to that one truth. So I'm going to do a video about how the planets are the gods, and basically in religion, all these like sacred ancient masters who come down and teach, whether it be Krishna, whether it be Jesus Christ, whether it be the Buddha, they are all the same gods coming down and teaching humanity in different ages and at different times. And so yeah, there's so much truth and similarity in them all, because it's the same beings coming down each time, teaching us how to become gods, how to ascend and become like God. And then because they were taught in different times, in different ages, the people of that time took the teachings in different ways, they manifested in different ways. And not only that, but over time they've changed in different ways. So now it looks like they're all separate and divided, when actually it was the same beings coming down again and again, teaching humanity time after time how to get back to being a god and ascending again. And so there's so much similarity in it, because all is one, and that is just the way it is.